Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can delete Squarespace website. So let's get started. First of all, go on the Squarespace store. Once you're in, you have to select the template and wait for it to open. Now you have to go on the edit template, and once you are in the dashboard, here you have these three bars. You have to click on it. Now here is the option of the delete. You can delete the website here. You have to repeat the same process and delete this one also. So yeah, this is how you can delete Squarespace website.